Hi, let me give an introduction to compositing. Compositing is a process of merging different elements and creating an illusion that all those elements are a part of the same scene. Elements can be CG or live shooting. To compose one element or the another, you have to have the information about transparency of the pixels. Masking is done to gain that information. Black and white mask describes transparency of each pixels. White equals to not transparent and black is transparent. Now since the elements are isolated, then we can add the background. As a compositor, our task is to combine multiple images creating an illusion that all those elements are from the same source. Compositing goes from integrating an element using a green screen, extending a set, or removing a merged object from a scene. Later on we will see many examples which has all those elements put together in compositing. Now following is an example where we can see that the green screen has been removed and the elements and the background has been separated using a mask. Now in this particular image we can see that they have been given the colors that are black and white. Now the white color denotes that this object is not transparent and the background which is in black denotes that it is transparent. This black color can be replaced with any of the background that the director might intend. As a compositor, that compositor can place anything behind these elements and make it look as if the same is of the same source. Now we'll go through some common terms which are being used in the VFX and animation industry. We'll be using these terms quite often in this tutorial. A plate. A plate is the original footage with green screen which will be replaced later by any other digitally created element or background. A CG element. A CG element is a computer generated element which are digitally created in softwares like 3D Max or Maya. Render passes. Render passes refers to separating objects into separate images, commonly diffuse, specular, reflection, or ambient occlusion. These passes can be tweaked separately now and allow you to change the amount of, for example, reflection without having to re-render the CG element. We'll talk more about it in coming lectures. Channels. Now the channels allow you to store extra info about your elements. Common channels are channels which contains transparency information and the color channels. Color channels gives the amount of green, red, blue in each pixel. Additional channels are Z-depth channel which gives the distance from each pixel to the camera.